Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel EntroGroup and Company. Today we will learn how to set up VS Code. Firstly, go to your browser, either it is Chrome or Safari or any other. After that, search VS Code Download in your browser. You will see a bunch of websites there, but you have to select VS Code First website. On this page, you will see three main OS: Windows, Linux, Mac. Choose according to your OS, and it will download your file. Let's wait for download. You can also visit their guide to set up VS Code. Links will be given in description. And install it according to your operating system mentioned. After downloading, just select this and it will automatically be installed. Isn't it easy to set up? It is. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, buddies.